Look, if you've been around option trading for any length of time, you already know what the landscape looks like. It's all about big screenshots, big claims, and even bigger promises. But have you noticed how few people are actually still trading options 3, 4, 5 years later? What I want to show you is how CFU actually makes money. It's calm, it's consistent, and it's built on a strict set of rules. So let's get something out in the open. We aren't trying to double accounts overnight. And we definitely aren't guessing where a stock might go tomorrow. The whole system is built around one simple idea: consistent, repeatable cash flow. That's it. It's not sexy, but it's sustainable. And sustainability is the one thing nobody talks about in this industry. At its core, we use options the way the pros do. We treat them as structured instruments, not lottery tickets. The focus is primarily on defined risk spreads. That means before we ever click buy or sell, we already know three things: exactly what we can lose, exactly what we can make, and what plan B is if the trade does go sideways on us. Inside CFU, we use both credit and debit spreads. Credit spreads are more about time decay and higher probability, and debit spreads are more for when direction matters and we want that volatility edge. The market doesn't care about your opinion, it only rewards your structure. Now, let me be real about what CFU doesn't do. We don't chase earnings. We don't size up to chase a loss because at the end of the day, risk comes first. No single trade is ever worth blowing up an account. The goal is to make sure that no single mistake can ever knock you out of the game. Everything we do starts with risk. Most traders fail because they trade too big and too fast. CFU is a 10-year system, not a 10-day strategy. If you can survive, you can compound. So look, if you value structure over excitement and you want a system, not just some signals, that's all happening inside the CFU Discord. We execute with full transparency and clear rules. We have a link right below at joincfu.com. You can grab our free ebook that we have for everyone, or you can also join our Discord and start trading with our community. In our next video, I'm going to show you why and how most traders blow up and how we've built this into our system to avoid such outcomes. In any case, thanks for watching. And just remember, the goal isn't to trade more, it's to trade better. In that way, you will survive and you will compound. Thanks for watching.